Uklidu jang shipai general Manoj Pandey hane kesngi lapan pau jing sngau sarong bakilala ban penlong ya ka Durand Cup tournament ka ba chispa lai puar ka Durand Cup kamdei tang ka football tournament hanrei ka pan pau ya ki kam bakrau jong kari India ha ka kam yela kai football mentau snam ka Durand Cup lapan long ha kilai teli kinong ba kaca ka Kolkata Guwahati bat hakro kacar ha kani kijingla kai kidon khadar teli ki kynhun kentup ya gitu ke belaya kun haga Indian Super League ki kynhun ki ba khampau kom ka Shillong lajong bat ka bodolan kelayo ban shim banta ha kani ka kanji ba manta nagalyang general Manoj Pandey lakit bakit ruang ya baro ki kynhun bakin ni la kai ba bat ban pen priang ya ka kubor ka ba shabaro.
The Indian Army takes immense pride in organizing the Durand Cup tournament on behalf of the three services. The Durand Cup is not just a tournament but a legacy of the long-standing and rich footballing culture in our nation. The 132nd edition this year will be played in the cities of Kolkata, Guwahati and the newest host city Kokrajhar. Along with the 12 teams of the Indian Super League, the popular Shillong Lajong and a youthful Bodoland team of Kokrajhar will also be making their Durand Cup debut to give the tournament a new dimension. I welcome the army teams of our friendly neighbors Bangladesh and Nepal to India and hope they enjoy participating in the tournament. My special wishes to our services teams, especially the Indian Army team, who exemplify the unity, camaraderie, synergy and healthy competition that exists within the forces. All the very best. Play hard and spread the message of Durand Cup even further. Jai Hind.